I've been accredited with Santa Lucia Marketing for almost 15 years. And my memorable sale with Santa Lucia Marketing was with Costa del Sol, wherein I made my biggest sale so far. Malaki din ang natulong sa akin ng Santa Lucia Marketing dahil nagkaroon ako ng tiwala sa sarili para makabenta ako ng lupa't bahay. Natupad din ang pangarap ko na magkaroon ng bahay at lupa. So for those aspiring young and older brokers, it's better to start with Santa Lucia Marketing because I've proven that there is an endless opportunities in this company through hard work and sincerity so you can achieve your goal. Ako po si Annie Tijones, isang International Sales Director. I am proud to be accredited sales partner of Santa Lucia Marketing Iloilo.